Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 easy ways to make money online without a big investment. These are all methods that I've personally tried and tested, so I can vouch for their effectiveness. Let's get started. 1. Online surveys. Many survey sites will only send you a few surveys a week, so it can take time to make a significant amount of money. To increase your earnings, consider signing up for multiple sites and being consistent with taking surveys each day. Also, be aware that some survey sites have a minimum payout threshold, so it may take a while before you can cash out your earnings. 2. Affiliate marketing. When promoting affiliate products, it's important to disclose to your audience that you'll earn a commission if they purchase through your link. This can help build trust and prevent any legal issues. To increase your chances of making a sale, consider creating content around the product, such as a review or tutorial. This can help educate your audience and make them more likely to purchase the product. 3. Freelancing. As a freelancer, it's important to have a portfolio of your work to showcase to potential clients. You can create a website or use platforms like LinkedIn or Upwork to display your work. Also, consider taking on small projects or working for a lower rate at first to build up your experience and reputation. 4. Selling products online. When selling physical products online, consider using high-quality images and including as much information as possible in the product description. This can help customers make an informed purchase and reduce the likelihood of returns. Also, consider using social media or paid advertising to reach a larger audience. 5. Dropshipping. When working with a dropshipping supplier, it's important to have open communication and set clear expectations. Be aware of any fees or shipping times associated with the supplier, and factor that into your pricing. Also, consider offering unique products or personalized services to make your business stand out from others. 6. Online tutoring. To increase your chances of getting clients, as an online tutor, consider specializing in a particular subject or age group. This can help you stand out and attract a specific audience. Also, be aware of different learning styles and adapt your teaching approach to meet the needs of each student. 7. Social media management. When offering social media management services, it's important to have a solid understanding of the different social media platforms and how they work. You should also stay up to date on the latest trends and algorithms to create a more effective social media strategy. Additionally, consider using paid advertising or influencer marketing to increase your clients' reach. 8. Virtual event planning. To be successful as a virtual event planner, it's important to have a good understanding of the event's purpose and audience. Consider using virtual event platforms like Zoom or Hopin to create an engaging and interactive experience. Also, be aware of any technical issues that may arise and have a plan in place to troubleshoot them. 9. Writing ebooks. When writing ebooks, consider using tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to ensure your writing is clear and error-free. You can also consider using a professional editor to review your work before publishing. Additionally, consider offering your book in different formats, such as a PDF or audiobook, to reach a wider audience. 10. Creating online courses. When creating online courses, consider breaking the content down into bite-sized pieces to make it more manageable for students. You should also include quizzes and assignments to reinforce learning and provide feedback. Additionally, consider offering a free trial or money-back guarantee to increase customer satisfaction and trust. And there you have it, 10 easy ways to make money online without a big investment. There are so many opportunities out there, so don't be afraid to try something new and see what works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't